When was the last time you read a book for an hour without checking your phone? When was the last time you sat with a single thought without searching for a distraction? Deep focus is not just getting harder, it is becoming extinct. For centuries, human intelligence was linear. We read long texts. We held complex arguments in our heads. We built mental models step by step. Today, our minds process information in clips. 10-second video, 3-line summary, instant swipe. We no longer connect ideas, we collect impressions. Clip thinking makes you fast, but it also makes you shallow. You register headlines, but you miss nuance. You know what happens, but not why it matters. Your mind becomes like a stone skipping over deep water, touching the surface everywhere, but never going down. The moment stimulation stops, discomfort sets in. A few seconds in line at a store, a red light on the road, a pause between tasks. Silence now feels uncomfortable. Because a brain trained on short clips can no longer tolerate its own thoughts. We mistake information speed for intelligence. We feel productive because we consumed 50 posts, 3 videos, and 10 headlines in 20 minutes. But at the end of the day, what remains? Noise, fragmented memories, and mental fatigue. Clip thinking is not a permanent state. It is a habit trained by an environment designed for distraction. And anything that was trained can be untrained. But first, we have to recognize what we are losing when we trade depth for speed. In the next episode, we will look inside the brain, why short content releases dopamine, and how to break the addiction to constant novelty. Subscribe. Reclaim your attention.